Look at the catfish. The red tails eating the pellets is so cool.
Let's do a little bit of shopping, huh?
African cichlids.
And here is all of our options.
What the heck is that? Well, I forgot shoes, but we're here.
What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. Today we're starting here, we're getting some food. We gotta go to another feed store though and get all the hay, and then I'll see you at home.
And we're back home. And the cow is trying to stick his head through, and I don't really know what he's trying to do, to be quite honest with you. Here comes Mama and the ducklings. They live over here now. They like to stay in the cow enclosure. I gotta get this bale of alfalfa under there. And now, pig food. Hello everyone. Give me 2 seconds. Give me 2 seconds.
Lots of rain.
Alrighty. And everyone's eating. Leaving Mama ducks over there. And we got these guys eating over here. Don't know the gist of it. You already know what's going on. Look at Boots. It's just like, I'm the king. All this food needs to go into these 3 bins. Ready? Woo! Just like that. They're all filled. Waterfowl right here. Ow, ow, oh my gosh, I must have I stood in that red ant pile. Oh yes I did. Woo! I still ask myself to this day, why do red ants exist? I don't know, but they hurt. Woo! Pigs, what's going on everyone? I gotta put that in the goat enclosure, but eat up, goats. What's up, you crazy little ones? Woo! Hey, little baby. What's going on, everyone? I'm coming, just a sec. Oh, look at those big old stumps we found in the trash. Me and my boy Chad. These things are massive, like huge. We're gonna put them into the goat enclosure here in just a little bit. I just don't know if I can get them myself. I honestly don't know. Those are pretty big. I had to roll them off the bed of the truck right there in front of the gate. But I got some food for big pigs. There you go. There you go. And just like that, oh, well, just like that, everything has eaten.
Let's do a little bit of shopping, huh?
African cichlids.
There we go. Right there. And here is all of our options. These are all mystery boxes. Well, these ones aren't. These are individual fish, but we want like something like this, where you get an assortment of a mystery box. We don't know what's coming, but that's the whole fun of it. Look at them. Look how beautiful those are. Perfect. Let's get this one. $79. Here we go. Add to cart. Add it to cart. Let's get it. So we just ordered the mystery box, but I wanted to say something before we even got into unboxing the box when it arrives. Cuffaro's doing a meet and greet. This is crazy. I have not done a meet and greet in over, I think, 2 years. The last one was Monster Fish Bash, over 4,000 people. It was crazy. For all of you that came to Monster Fish Bash, you're a real one and you're still watching the channel, which is amazing. Thank you so much for continuing to support the channel, watching all the videos. I love you. But we're doing another meet and greet, and this one's massive. Aquashella 2021 in Orlando, Florida. The tickets are gonna be on the top link in the description, and the prices are super low right now. So Aquashella 2021, we're gonna be there. I'm gonna have my own booth selling merch, PC Pokemon decks, wristbands, lanyards. I mean, everything you see on my site is pretty much gonna be there, and exclusive merch that's only gonna be sold at the event is gonna be there in bulk as well. Merch no one else can have other than you that comes to the event. Get VIP, you'll be in the door like a couple hours before everyone else, and you'll get to personally have a conversation, hang out with me, or just vibe. It'll be amazing. June 12th and 13th are the dates of the event. So June 12th and 13th in Orlando, Florida. Cop your tickets while you can, because they're gonna sell out. Gary, am I right? Hurry fast. Mama Lulu, what are you doing laying in the mud? She's like, this feels so good. I got the fresh water going out of the bucket and into this mud pit, so it's like cold. You gonna drink a little bit? You gonna drink? There you go. That must like be so refreshing. Gary, can you switch it over to this one, and then we let that fill. Gary, I gotta update you guys on how big the Pacu got. So I'm gonna get some food out of this bucket here. There you go, buddies. Everyone eats. Koi fish, Oscars, everyone. Chowing down, huh? Oh yeah. Look at the catfish. The red tails eating the pellets is so cool. Refill. Now you gotta check this out. These Pacu got huge over just a span of a couple of weeks. Rock up. Yeet! Oh my gosh. Scared the heck out of me.
Dude, the water is higher than I've ever seen it so far. It is high right now. I can't like get a good clip from, well, oh, there's one. I mean, the big splashes are Pacu. Stop licking me, my guy. Oh my gosh. Look at them, just go nuts. Oh, did you see how? Oh, did you see? It's insane. It's so windy out right now, but that's crazy. Our garbage can and a bucket that used to be on land, but that's another bucket. I gave him to the cow to play with, and he just puts them in the water. Dude, that's crazy how big they're getting. One of these days, we gotta get a rod, and we gotta throw a little piece of bread out there and catch one. See how big they've gotten, because when they're blowing up in the water, you can't really tell, but if we throw it in and hook one and bring it in real quick, we'll be able to see how big they're getting. Am I like a scratching post for you or something? Huh? I'm like his scratching post, I swear. If you want to see me go fishing for the Pacu, make sure to drop a like. If we hit, let's see, 20, 15, let's meet in the middle. Oh my God, there's red ants everywhere in this lawn. Look at that guy right on my leg right here. Is there more? Yep, another one right there on my heel. Gosh, dude, I'm like immune to these things at this point. Ant piles everywhere. Anyway, what I was saying was, let's meet in the middle. 18,000 likes. I'll go fishing in the pond out back. Alrighty, it is time to unbox our mystery box full of fish from Amazon. I don't even know what we got. Let's check it out. Oh my goodness. They're just little babies. Little baby fish. Look how tiny. They're a lot smaller than I thought. Oh my gosh. So these are just assorted cichlids. It looks like there's some jewel cichlids in there and some other types of cichlids, but they're very tiny. I just ordered a mystery box. That's exactly what it is, a complete mystery. I had no idea what was coming. I'll be quite honest. Great marketing, because this is the picture that I saw as the main image. Clearly that is not what came. We got the cheapest of cichlids you could probably get ever. 70 bucks, bro. For those 6 little $2 cichlids. Like, what the heck? That's part of buying a mystery box, I guess. But yeah, we're gonna get these into the, that's crazy, bro. These are like normal, just like random cichlids. These are gonna grow up to be really colorful. Did you hear that lightning? All right, well, Logan's singing and it's lightning out. We haven't had rain in so long. Downpouring sideways out here. Hey, buddies. All the pigs are in their house.
This one has like red on the tip of his fins.
Oh yeah, that is cool. Dude, they are pretty cool. We'll get a closer look at them in just a little bit. We gotta go acclimate them. It's dark over here and I still gotta set the filter up. I bought that filter so long ago, I have not set it up yet. This tank's pretty dark. It's dark in this room, I don't know why. That light is not as bright as it should be. What? I've had these fans for over 1.5 years, never knew the light did that. Oliver, what up, G? And there they go for acclimating. We're gonna give that about 15, 20 minutes and then put them in. This is like the random tank. Whenever we get something random, we just stick it in here. Right?
The Galapagos turtle.
What? That's a ferret, not a Galapagos. While we're waiting for the fish to cycle, they just came and serviced all the tanks. They did every single one of these. It took them a little bit. Flower Horn's got a clean tank. Very clean tank. Look at that flower horn. So pretty. The saltwater tank is completely cleaned as well. I mean, all around clean. Look at that. We got a little arrow crab right there. And where's our eel? There he is. He's got his mouth open right now. Look at him. Woohoo! Zebra eel. And then the cichlid tank, I would suggest you to just keep the light off unless I'm filming and just keep the, you know, the room light on. Because the rocks, the light is creating so much algae. This thing was covered in algae. So we got the rocks that have a little bit of algae on them, but it's all right. The tank is clean. I initially bought the cichlids, the mystery box of cichlids, for this tank right here. Clearly, they came this big and not the cichlids I assumed they were going to be. And that's part of, I guess, about getting a mystery thing. But yeah, we're not putting them in there anymore. So we got the guest room tank for the clutch tank. And these fish are doing absolutely amazing. They're so pretty. It's time. Okay, yeah. I don't like being face to face with you, so I'm gonna go.
15 minutes, huh?
All right, Logan. Here we go. There we go. Oh, he got 3. Oh, he got 2. Still got 2 of them. Oh, there they go. Get him, get him, get him, get him, got him.
Got him.
That's 3.
Woohoo! See you later, bud. Look at that one. That one's so pretty, dude. There we go. So fast. Look at him. Oh, he's gone. Last one, last one, last one. Get out of the corner, eh? There we go. And adios, amigo. That's all. Was that 5?
Yeah.
Yeah, 5, I think. That's all 5 cichlids. I'm gonna pick up the camera in just a little bit once they're kind of comfortable and they're hiding behind the rocks. It is 1 day later and we are here to check up on the fish. Saltwater tank, baby. I wish we could have put the fish into the cichlid tank, but unfortunately, I got straight up scammed. Let's check on them. I see them swimming around. They're gonna hide in the rocks right away. I'm gonna try to turn my light on. This light is unfortunately broken. I need to do a full redo on this tank. You can see 3 of them right here. Look at that thing. Look how pretty. So pretty. You got the Cory cats right there too. See another one right here. Hello, buddy. So gorgeous. Wow. Oh, another one right there. That's a bigger one. That's one of those electric blue ones. They're kind of just hiding up in that wood right there. There's another one hiding back there. We got a pair of angelfish in here still as well. Where's the other one? There's the other one. So this is like a project tank. I want to work on this tank. I want to redo the entire thing. As you can see, I got a filter for it. I just have yet to set it up. The light broke, need to get a new light for this. I need to just do a full out remodel of this. I'll probably do that eventually here soon. I've had this tank forever and it's just like a tank that whenever I get something, for instance like these cichlids, I put them in here and it's just like my cool little random tank. It's in the guest room. I have the ferret cage out in the living room right now. He's hanging out with me. Thank you all so much for watching. Unfortunately, it didn't go as planned. I got scammed. Literally. I bought what you saw I thought was a bunch of really beautiful cichlids for the cichlid tank, and unfortunately it wasn't. You win some, you lose some. It's like gambling when you buy that kind of stuff. 80 bucks for like $10 in fish. Took a fat L that time. Subscribe if you're new. Make sure to drop a like so we can go catch some of those Pacu out there. I love each and every one of you, and I'll see you in the next one. Make sure to get your meet and greet tickets as well. Top link in the description. Peace out.
Subscribe.